Exercise 2.6. Don't forget, put the date up the top of your page, please. Let's have a look and see how you do questions like number 1. Use a number line to perform each of the following additions. So why don't I do C? You've got 12 plus negative 3. So you draw a number line. Okay, we're going to start off at 12. So obviously the number line is going to have to go up to 12. So let's go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoops, I'm just running out of room. 12. Let's do that again. And put the little marks along. Okay, just a sketch of a number line. Doesn't have to be even, as long as it's not too messy. Alright, so we start off at 12. So put a dot at 12. Now, when you go add negative 3, you can actually change that. So when you see a plus and a minus together, like this, a plus next to a minus, that's the same as take away 3. So it's the same. You can get a plus and a minus and change it to a minus. Okay, so if you're adding a negative number, all you have to do is subtract the positive number. Okay, so you just go take away 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. So that is 12 plus negative 3. And the answer, of course, is 9. Let's do another one. If you had, let's do, what number is that? J, I think it is, on the set. If you do J, you got negative 3 plus the opposite, plus negative 8. So you draw a number line. And let's put negative 3 here. And we're going to have to, so we're going to start at negative 3, put a dot there. Now we're going to go negative 3, take 8, because a plus and a minus gives you a take. So we're going to take away 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that will give you negative 11. Now if you're not sure, you can actually put all the little marks here for all the numbers on the number line. Some people don't need to do that. These are all negatives. Okay. Let's do one more. Actually, here's a good example of where you wouldn't want to draw a number. Look at P. If you had this sum, negative 62 plus the opposite of 71. Now, on a number line, now what you can do, I get rid of this plus and minus sitting next to each other, and I change it to negative 62, take 71. Because if you've got plus a negative number, that's the same as taking the number. Okay, so all I do, I put a dot here at negative 62. 0 is obviously up here somewhere. And I'd take away 71. So I go this way 71, and I wouldn't actually show all the steps because it's too far. And in my head I'd just go, right, what's 62 plus 71? That will be 133. So it'll be negative 133. Okay, so there's number 1. So what I want you to do is have a go at number 1 now. Now, let's have a look at number 2. Let's do G. We've got negative 4 take negative 20. Now, remember before, if you had a negative outside the bracket and a, positive outside the bracket, negative inside, then you replace the plus and the minus with a minus. But this time, there's this little rule in maths, that if you've got two minuses together, like take negative 20, you can replace it with a plus. So that minus there and that minus there you can replace with a plus. So this sum is minus 4 plus 20. So on the number line, you just draw a number line. And here's minus 4 down here. 0 will be here. So you put a dot on minus 4, and we add on 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, up to 20. And what you'll end up with is 16. So the answer is 16. Okay. Let's do another one. If you had, let's do B. 4 take negative 2, that's the same as 4 plus 2, because wherever you get a negative sitting next to a negative like that, you replace it with a plus, you get rid of the bracket. So just showing 4 plus 2 in the number line is pretty easy. Put 0 here, 4's here, 4 plus 2 would give you 6. Okay, so the answer would be 6. Have a go at number 2 now. Okay. Now, number 3 is just multiple choice, so you can have a go at the number 3, the multiple choice. And quickly, before I leave you to do the rest of the exercise, number 4, you can use a calculator for that. So, if you wanted to work out like F, hang on, pen's not working. If you wanted to work out F for number 4, you just grab a calculator. Let's see if we can find a calculator here. Alright, look at F. It's, I'll write it down so you can actually see what it is. It's 24 plus negative 12 plus negative 6. Now, we grab our calculator, and I think I might actually, oh no, we can use this calculator. So 24 plus 12, now it's negative 12, so I'm going to use the plus minus to make it negative 12, plus, plus negative 6, so type in 6 and press the plus minus button to give it negative 6, and the answer of course is 6. So for number 4 you can just use your calculator to work those out, and now I want you to go through, do number 3 and 4 and the rest of the exercise. Excellent.